Oh, ano, busy guy, ma paga 50, dico, ma non posso extra. Questo caro caro, ma iets snacks voor me, man.
Trouwens, I went to Soto, man.
Oh, for real? Yeah. In a boat?
Yeah, made from a coconut tree. Yeah.
Coconut Yoko.
Okay, so there are a bunch of singular examples of awesome Papiamentu words. In the first video, you guys sent us a bunch of awesome examples of Papiamentu words, such as Kompolaga,
Chinchirinchi,
Shwata,
Bomboshi,
and many other awesome examples.
Now, though we're gonna do a part 2 of awesome Papiamentu words, this time we want to share with you guys the different types of Papiamentu words. Now, quick side note, neither of us are trade professionals. No, we have no authority on this language.
No.
We're not here from Winkler.
No, we're not.
From
Shout out to her, by the way.
Shout out. You're from Winkler. Stimabu. That's awesome.
Hope you're proud. But being a Creole language on multicultural islands, people tend to take a more informal approach to Papiamentu.
Like we're doing here, you know, a la criollo, you know what I'm saying? So when we say types of words, we just mean how we use the language and words to express a certain meaning or to use definitions for words.
Exactly.
Let's explain. One of the types of words we mean are the words that utilize accents.
Papiamentu has a butt ton of accents, such as the accent grave,
Accent scherpi.
you have the C with a little tail on it,
You got the N with the little wiggly line
also
on
the
it.
U with the 2 dots on it.
Yeah, a bunch of accents.
Too many.
Now, some words inherently are just made with a bunch of accents on it.
An example of this is the word rokataka. I mean,
Rakataka.
just look at that.
Look at this big thing.
4 accents.
In itself, it's a funny word to me. It means something that's busted up or messed up. Usually talking about a car that should have been out of commission years ago, and somehow, you know, Tio Juni is still driving the thing around town. But okay, but look at it. It has 4 accents. And the thing is, if you will remove these accents, the meaning will be lost.
Yeah,
It'll be rokotoko, which...
I would not know.
I think it doesn't mean anything, but regardless. But some words are like this, they're just massacred with accents.
Yeah. But even more interesting, there are a bunch of words that uses accents to change the emphasis and the tone of the word, consequently changing the definition of the word.
Let's use this word as an example. Prua. When used like this, plain and simple, it means to mess something up, to mix something. However, if you add an accent on it, suddenly it means something else.
Yeah.
It means someone who's messed up or someone who's confused.
And this is true for a bunch of other words. For example, salu, which means salt. If we were to put an accent on it, it would mean salu, health.
Ironically enough, someone pointed out to us, too much salu
is not good for your
Salud.
your health.
Yeah. Now we're not gonna get into the other accents because frankly there's too many of them. And
way too many.
We don't remember all the rules, so
we don't.
We're gonna stick to the more informal side of it for now. If you want to learn more, I'm sure you can find it somewhere.
Internet will help you.
Not
Internet
here.
knows everything. One of our favorite things about Papiamentu is that it's one of the few languages in the world that uses repeating syllables to make one word.
Now, we don't know if these words are formally acknowledged or they're accepted in the Papiamentu dictionary or whatever, but they're certainly used in the common tongue, and we use it as well.
Yes.
Now, these type of words are words that have 2 syllables repeated twice to make one word, and to us they're funny as all hell. And these are
pretty funny. Yeah.
These are words like pecha pecha,
Maka,
jogga jogga,
gachi gachi.
you know, words like that. It grabs 2 syllables, repeats it twice to make a meaning, and it's all hilarious to me.
Yeah.
But sometimes people also repeat singular words to make a point, to add emphasis onto something. An example of this is the word kens.
Kens means stupid, so you'd call the person stupid.
But in Papiamentu, when you say kens, you mean business. I mean that person, you can't do shit with him anymore.
That person
It's
is really stupid. Beyond your help.
Yeah, it's gone.
Lost cause.
Which is funny because you can do this with a lot of words, but not all words.
No.
You can't just go, hey man, that Rabi Porco was, you know, yeah, it doesn't really work. It works with some words and some doesn't, and island folks usually know which one it does work with.
Yeah.
It's fun to use in other languages. Be like, hey man, I'm hungry.
Oh man, I'm sleepy.
And lastly, we have one type of word that is not exclusive of Papiamentu. It's done in other languages as well. But in Papiamentu, I find it much funnier.
It is funny.
For example, in English you have the word scarecrow. In Papiamentu, you have spantapara, which really means to scare a bird. It's the same in other languages, but it's funnier in Papiamentu. To us.
It kind of is.
You also have pegasaya. A pegasaya is a little thorn ball that when you walk around the grass, it gets stuck to your socks, your shoes, your pants. It gets stuck on everything. But it means to stick to a skirt. You can tell the people who came up with the Papiamentu language were just going with it. They were free balling. They were like, hey man,
definitely.
Does it work? Yes?
It works, yeah.
We're gonna use it.
So there you have it, folks. A few informal types of words in Papiamentu.
Now we want to thank you guys for all the support and encouragement you gave us for our first video, our Papiamentu 101 5 Awesome Words. You guys are awesome. So many people liked and shared and talked about it and commented and subscribed. You guys are awesome. That's what I love.
Yeah.
I love we're talking about. Ate, buka mo na.
So much love. Thank you so much.
Now, though we're going to be doing more videos based on the island life and on Papiamentu, that's not the only thing our channel is about though.
We'll also be doing adventure videos, vlogs, trivia, challenges, and short movies.
We have a few videos coming up. One where we look at the difference between Papiamentu
and Papiamentu.
And also a video where we share our island culture with our Dutch friends and families here in Holland.
Yes. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Stabilize.
And see you guys next time as soon as we come up with more stuff.